Hi everyone! It's me again, Noy. At nandito nga ako sa The Marison Hotel na kung saan ay sasalubungin ka agad ng magandang ngiti ni Joanna. Dito nga kami nagpa-reserve para mag-get together. Isa siyang hot pot and grill. Kung mahilig kayo sa sabaw at kung mahilig kayo sa sangyupsal pero ayaw niyong magluto, itong para sa inyo. Dito ay makakapagbanting talaga kayo dahil sila na magpiprepare, magluluto at magigrill ng pagkain nyo. They have Chinese and Korean dishes that will satisfy your taste buds. And to give you an idea on how much it cost, their soup base cost 288 pesos. Bali dalawang flavors na siya. We choose original and mala spicy. Yan namang meat ay US beef short plate. It costs 380 per order. 280 naman pag US pork belly. Meron din silang shrimps na 420 per order. Marami din silang pagpipilian sa veggies. Ang kanilang lettuce, bok choy at corn are 95 pesos per order. Pero kung tinatamad na kayong mamili isa-isa, meron naman silang hot pot set platter na 1,200 for beef and 1,100 for pork. 1,280 naman para sa lamb set platter. May seafood set platter din sila na 1,800 pesos. Their hot pot set platter is good for 2 to 3 packs. Included na dun ang 2 flavors of soup, fishball at squid finger, taro sweet potato dumpling, lobster claw, pechay at sweet corn, tofu at enoki, and 2 cups of steamed rice. Ito ang pinaka-relax na sangyupsal na experience ko. At di ko namalayan, dessert time na pala. They have Korean bingsu in mango and matcha flavor. So come and visit and try their hot pot and grill for a unique experience. And also their jodorizer para hindi kayo mag-amoy usok after dining. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. It's Noy Vlogs. And I'll see you guys again next time. Mwah!